In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Blueprint in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Blueprint is a useful feature inside Zoho CRM that helps you standardize and automate your business processes. It's especially helpful when you want records to move through a specific workflow in a controlled and consistent way. So if your team needs to follow a clear process for leads, deals, or any other module, this tool can make that much easier to manage. Once you're inside your Zoho CRM account, go ahead and click on Setup. This is where you'll find the main configuration and customization options for your CRM. If you're new to this area, take your time and look carefully, because many important tools for managing your system are located here. From within Setup, click on Blueprint. This section is specifically designed for building process-driven workflows. When you open it, you'll be able to start creating a structure that defines how records should move from one stage to another. Next, click Create Blueprint. This is where the setup process begins. At this point, Zoho CRM will ask you for the necessary details. Enter the required information carefully. Depending on your setup, this may include things like choosing the module you want to apply the blueprint to, selecting the field that controls the process, and giving your blueprint a name. The idea here is to clearly define what process you are building, so it's easy to recognize and manage later. After entering the necessary details, click Next. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Zoho CRM will guide you through the rest of the setup, and this is where you'll define how your process should work. As you move through the prompts, make sure you review each option carefully so your blueprint reflects the actual steps your team follows. This helps reduce errors and keeps everyone aligned on the same workflow. As a helpful tip, before you finalize anything, it's a good idea to think through your process in advance so the setup feels more straightforward. A clear plan will make it easier to configure each stage properly. And that's how to use Blueprint in Zoho CRM. Once everything is set up, you'll have a more organized and guided process inside your CRM, helping your team work more efficiently and consistently.